Hey, baby. Okay, so this one is, you can open it.
Thank you, mommy.
Okay, so this is Coach. All right,
Yeah, I can see.
open it. Oh,
It fell.
okay. So,
Ana.
significance of the watch is because you are now teenager. Okay, so you have to develop your skill in time management. Time management is so important. All right, so yeah, and then so this is Coach, and I have another one also Coach, because again you are a teenager, so you can open it. Okay, yeah. So it's now time for you to use handbag.
All right.
Thank you,
Right.
mommy.
Okay.
So cute.
Yeah, you can have this.
It's for like,
Yeah, for handbag.
yeah, like shoulder bag.
Shoulder bag. And another one is this one. So because daddy gave you what is that? UK, England. This one is England, Starbucks. But the mini cup, okay. And also Hong Kong. Okay, because you celebrated your 5th birthday in Hong Kong. And you also have a mini globe.
I thought Minnie Mouse.
Proof.
And also you have this, what do you want? Okay, so you can actually say it. What is that one?
It's a desktop globe. I think it glows too.
Yeah.
I think.
But
does it glow?
it's yeah, but
It's glass.
yeah, it's glass. Okay. Because you are so crazy about countries,
Globes.
globes, and of course, chocolates.
Please not eat my chocolates, Daddy. Please.
Okay.
I'm
There
gonna
you
hide
have
them
more.
from you.
Okay, you can put them here.
They'll be gone soon.
Here.
No.
Yeah, Hannah, that is very delicate.
Pero masyadong...
Okay.
You will have later
And-
on, Hannah.
My God.
And
Yeah, wait
here,
for mommy.
okay. So this one is, what is this?
It's upside down.
I'm saying this is
Picture
what?
of
It's South
baby.
Korea.
Okay, because you have many friends in TLC, but I cannot find Brazil. The Brazil, I cannot find Congo, but you also have many friends from Korea, South Korea, so this is also South Korea. But when the Brazil country ball is available, then I'm gonna buy that for you. And also the Congo country ball. And the last one is because you made me proud when you participated in Model United Nations. So just like Daddy, you have to develop your self-confidence, but you're actually very good at public speaking already. I have witnessed that. So happy birthday. You are not a baby anymore. You're not a girl anymore, but you are a teenager. Yay! God bless you. And this is my Bible verse for you from 1 Timothy 4:12. Actually, this is my favorite when I was younger. Okay, so don't let anyone look down on you because you are young, but set an example for the believers in speech, in conduct, in love, in faith, and in purity. All right, happy birthday.
Mommy. Dad.
Okay.
Remember you asked at me.
The last one is the bag, because I saw you were always looking at Panda bag when we are going to shopping mall. Okay, can you open it?
But I don't know. I didn't see Ate was doing that.
Ah, she was doing that.
But I didn't see. I didn't see.
We went to Guangzhou Zoo and she wanted this bag.
Happy birthday.
Panda bag.
祝你生日
Okay.
快乐。
There's